I have 14 monster trucks I want to go over with you guys. I've been doing a lot of shopping, and I really want to show some of these off. Of course, we have the Stormtrooper and Batman, and we have Darth Vader protecting my old Millennium Falcon. All right, here we go. I was very fortunate from the Monster Jam Superstore. These are 1 in 3,000 monster trucks, but what I love the most about this one is how unique it is. It's representing Santa's sleigh in a monster truck with his toys in the back. As I heard, they sold out pretty quick. Here's the card in the back. If you are interested in reading it, you can pause it and read. I love the gold bag full of presents and old Santa Claus wishing you a Merry Christmas. Oh, ho, ho. That is awesome stuff. There we go. And there's the limited edition 2020 Happy Holidays. And this is where I'll keep the 2021. Oh, looks nice up there. This is kind of a cool monster truck on a side note. This Matchbox Superchargers Mud Racer. Pretty cool as well. All right, and another one I picked up from the Monster Jam Superstore is this particular casting. It's the Independence Day. I had yet to pick it up. It was a 1 in 5,000 limited edition. I love the casting. It's just a really cool truck and just a nice clean box with the American flag on it. Just awesome stuff. And if you want to read the back, you can pause it right there. Just a really nice card. Now this was the 2020 4th of July monster truck. So there's the 20, and there's the 21. All right, next truck up. And up it goes for display. I'll move this one down a little. We'll keep the July 4th specials right by each other. Looking good up there. I picked up another Barbie Mobile. I love these for two reasons. I think it's a really cool idea, and I like the card, but my daughters love Barbie, so why not try to keep them involved and interested in monster trucks. So I picked up another Barbie Monster Vette. I also picked up this Hot Wheels monster truck, the burnt Weinermobile, which I was pretty excited about. And again, this is another treasure hunt, so really excited to find this at Walmart. Our stores have been so bare after Christmas, it's ridiculous, but I did pick this up, so I was pretty happy. It's out of the 2022 Monster Truck A case. Pretty awesome stuff. All right, next one up. A couple more that I'm gonna show you from the 2022 A case is this Volkswagen Beetle. I absolutely love it the first time I saw it. I like how they continue it to the wheels. Just a gorgeous truck. Oh, and I miss doing this. The strength is groundbreaker, and its crash attack is a classic crusher. So this will be fun to see race down the track in my next King of the Hill. That's really fun from the 2022 A case is this Wreckreactional with the smiley face wheels. I love the colors of the truck, and its crash attack is the good old permanent vacation. But what a unique casting from Hot Wheels. Now, two monster trucks I picked up from the Series 18 Monster Jam is this Higher Education and this Gravedigger with the wheelie bar. Look at the colors on this thing. Will it not stand out when it's driving down the track? I mean, how awesome is that? And another treasure hunt I picked up is Snakebite. Love the truck. I finally found one of my own. I'm really excited to have it here at KITT Racing. Of course, you have that scalation on the top. The overall color of it is beautiful. Its crash attack is the quick strike, which makes perfect sense. All right, next truck up. And the final one I picked up from the 2022 A case is this Night Shifter. I like when they put cars on top of monster trucks. So we'll be opening this and putting this in the next King of the Hill too. I hope he's quick. I also picked up this 2-pack from Monster Jam Series 17 where we have Salvager and we have Double Decker together with a really new card. I like this gray outline. It looks like a 3D image. Really cool stuff. Here's the other trucks in the 2-pack series. Awesome stuff. I got this one right here too. And here it is Earth Shaker and Max D. I love these tires. These tires are so freaking awesome, and I really think they may have a little bit of an edge in monster truck racing. So we're gonna take them out of this pack and race them in this next King of the Hill I have coming up in the next month. Well, there you have it. There are all 14 monster trucks. I even added one of those cool Matchbox monster trucks. I had a lot of fun showing you guys what I picked up recently. And as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch out for my upcoming Monster Truck King of the Hill Pick Your Ride that I'm going to be posting next week. And if you wouldn't mind giving this video a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.